Good evening, I'm Swastika Panda from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First the headlines. Air Force fighter plane 83492 crashes at Visoi in Mayurbhanj district. Pilots eject to safety. IAF launches probe into the mishap. Samples of Maggi noodles sent to Pune lab for test after Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Uttar Pradesh ban sale of the instant food item. Governor Jamir administers oath to Justice Dhirendra Hiralal Waghela as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court today. Health Department decides to set up a health university in the state. 30 low-cost hospitals are also on the anvil. And villagers desert home fearing Maoist attack in Malkangiri district. Meet Superintendent of Police seeking protection. Now the details. An Air Force fighter plane 83492 crashed at Kudar Sahi along Bisoi Karanchia Road in Mayurbhanj district yesterday. Additional District Magistrate Surat Chandra Malik said the two pilots in the flight managed to eject safely before the crash. However, one of them sustained injuries on his face and was admitted to Bisoi Government Hospital for primary treatment. Air Force officials said the advanced jet trainer aircraft crashed after flying for about 50 km from the Kalaikunda Air Base on a routine sortie around noon. The reason behind the crash is yet to be ascertained and a court inquiry has been ordered by the Air Force, they added. Firefighters and police rushed to the spot and doused the blaze on the aircraft. A chopper from the air base also reached the accident spot to take stock of the situation. Eastern Range IG Asit Panigrahi said the Mayurbhanj SP is supervising the exercise on the spot. No loss of life or property has been reported in the locality due to the mishap, he added. Meanwhile, a 10-member team of Air Force, led by a squadron leader, reached the spot in the evening and started investigation into the cause of the crash. Another 22-member team also reached today to assist the probe.
तापरे आमे तो दौड़ी के रखिछु
सेथरे जो दुई जण पायलट को पायलट थिले जे सिद्धांत और सचिन से माने पाराशूट रे क्रैश लैंडिंग करथिले ए खबर पुलिस पाइला पर आखपाख 10 किलोमीटर दूर रे जो चारोटी मोबाइल पार्टी पठेई पुलिस तांको ट्रेस करथिला ए भीतर आमे एयर फोर्स को भी इन्फॉर्म करथिलु एविएशन टावर को इन्फॉर्म करथिलु एवं डिफेंस रे एक्सपर्ट टीम आसी आजी राति सुधा पहुंचबे.
Justice Dhirendra Hiralal Waghela was sworn in as the new Chief Justice of Odisha High Court today. Governor S.C. Jamir administered him the oath at the new High Court building in the presence of Chief Minister Navin Patnaik, other ministers and senior High Court bar and police officials. President Pranab Mukherjee transferred him from Karnataka to the Odisha High Court after consultation with the Chief Justice of India and directed him to assume office within 2 months, a notification issued from Rashtrapati Bhavan on April 14th had said. Waghela replaced acting Chief Justice Pradeep Kumar Mahanti. Born on August 1954 at Rajkot in Gujarat, Justice Waghela began legal practice in his hometown in November 1975 and was elevated to additional judge in Gujarat High Court in September 1999. The state government has sent samples of Maggi noodles to an authorized laboratory for test after states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Uttar Pradesh put a ban on the sale of the instant food item. Speaking to the media in Bhubaneswar yesterday, Health and Family Welfare Secretary Arati Ahuja said the state government has sent samples of the Nestle product to the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India at Pune, the central testing center for food articles. Ahuja told media persons that around 25 Maggi samples were collected from 14 districts and sent to the Central Food Laboratory by the Health Department. She said the department will take action after getting the test report. Meanwhile, Food Commissioner Babaji Charan Das said the samples were first sent to the State Public Health Laboratory, but due to lack of required facilities there, the chemical flavor they contained could not be detected.
प्रॉपर जेमती सैंपल नेबा कथा एक्ट अनुसार सैंपल नहीं कि आमे पुणे रे जो टेस्टिंग जो अक्रेडिटेड टेस्टिंग लैब अच्छी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रे FSSAI रो ताकू आमे हमर सैंपल पठाइछु और सेठी टेस्टिंग चाली छी हमर रिजल्ट आसिले आमे निश्चय ता ऊपर तदंत कर निश्चय ता ऊपर एक्शन या जी
से लेट जाएगी से रक्त तयारी हा पई जो व्यवस्था अछि हमर बोनमार भितरे मज्जा भितरे ताकू से आस्ते आस्ते पैरालाइज कर दिए तेणु रक्तहीनता देखा जाए और रक्तहीनता देखा फल अन्य जिस हो पारे जबकि तार छुआर ग्रोथ हेनी जो छोट छुआ हो तो ग्रोथ हुए नहीं बढ़े नहीं क्षुधाहीनता हुए
मस्तिष्क छुआ मानकर प्रथम है बात मार छुआ अचेत हो छुआर मानसिक न्यूनता हम अर्थात मेंटल रिटार्डेशन हम छुआर पाठ भल पढ़ ना एवं सबुठ बड़ क्षति है जे छुआर ADHD बा अटेंशन स्पैन कमीजिव
Apprehending danger to their lives from Maoists, about 60 tribal families in Malkangiri district yesterday sought protection from the state government. The families hailing from Andrapali and Panaspur panchayats under Kudumuluguma block met the superintendent of police and additional district magistrate in this regard. The families, comprising women and children, have deserted their houses and taken shelter in different places in the district. The villagers, who do not want to be named out of fear, claimed that the Maoists had killed 2 villagers a few days ago, suspecting them to be police informers, and set several houses on fire. SP Mitra Bhanu Mahapatra assured measures for their protection.
रात भीतर आसिक बांधी कर नहीं गलानी बांधी कर मार देलानी समान ए भीतर रहबु नाही तमे जाकर बेस पर तमे जाकर हमर नाव दलासनी बेस म तमे डाकलासनी पेपर का करू हमको मारपीट करी हमको देले
कटक एरिया पाखापाखि 60 परिवार मोस्टली आंध्रपल्ली जीपी रो हम पाखो आछंती सेमाननको कहिचे नक्सल माने सेमाननको ता गारो तडी देथिबारु सेमाने थैथान व्यवस्था पे आछंती आमे सरकार को लिखि देइछु कि तांका फनकर थैथान और जीविका पे किछि व्यवस्था करा जिवो एहा छडा बीएसएफ कैंप पे हम सरकार को प्रस्ताव देइछु.
As it seems, BJP is all out to play its tribal card in the state. After appointing Draupadi Murmu as Jharkhand governor, the party is going to hold a 2-day national executive on various tribal-related issues from June 16th in Bhubaneswar. Many national leaders like the Chief Minister of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh are scheduled to attend the meeting. Union Ministers Jewel Oram and Sudarshan Bhagat and Jharkhand Chief Minister Raghubar Das reviewed the preparations for the meeting in Bhubaneswar yesterday. A draft resolution on the tribal issues will be introduced in the meeting, and accordingly a blueprint will be prepared in a bid to reach 22% ST people of the state. Party sources said 5 union ministers, 29 MPs, 12 MLAs and all the state presidents of the party's tribal morcha will attend the meet.
ST मोर्चार नेशनल एग्जीक्यूटिव 16-17 तारीख हम आउ से 17 तारीख मुख्यमंत्री रघुवर दास आसवे बोलिक सहमति प्रदान कर बाकी डॉक्टर रमन सिंह भी आसी पारंती 2 दिन रो ST मोर्चार नेशनल एग्जीक्यूटिव्स एठी हबो.
The state government effected a reshuffle in the Indian Forest Service cadre yesterday by changing the positions of 11 senior officers. K.R. Singh, a 1982 batch officer, was posted as the additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, APCCF, in the State Forest Headquarters, while 1984 batch officer Ajay Kumar Mahapatra will take charge as the Managing Director of Odisha Forest Development Corporation in the rank of APCCF. S.K. Singh, a 1984 batch officer, has been posted as CCF of Kendu Leaf, while his batchmate M. Satyanarayana, Special Secretary in the Forest and Environment Department, is allowed to continue in the grade of APCCF. 1986 batch officer S.P. Mahapatra has been appointed as officer on special duty in the General Administration Department, while 1986 batch officer M. Malot Mohan is the new regional CCF of Koraput. Similarly, 1994 batch officer K. Murugeshan, on return from Central Deputation, has been posted as Additional Chief Executive of Chilika Development Authority, replacing 2001 batch officer G. Rajesh. 2011 batch officer P. Arthanari has been posted as DFO in Koraput, while Rajesh has been posted as Director of Employment Mission. 2011 batch officer K.S. Pradeep is posted as the DFO in Atmalik, and 2011 batch officer V. Nilan Navar as DFO of Sunabeda Wildlife Division. Though the mercury levels fell across the state and the heat wave conditions eased a bit, sunstroke deaths in the state rose to 29 yesterday. Bhubaneswar recorded the highest temperature at 39 degrees Celsius, with the relative humidity level remaining at 89%. Meteorological officials have predicted further fall in temperatures in the coming days, with rainfall at most places across the state. They said rain and thunder showers may occur at many places over interior parts, and at a few places in the coastal region. The Special Relief Commissioner's office confirmed the death of 29 people due to sunstroke. It claimed that though the Revenue Department received reports of 135 deaths, 42 of them were found to be due to other reasons. The picturesque Simlipal Tiger Reserve and National Park will remain closed from June 16th for the rainy season. Field Director H.K. Bist said, as the roads inside the park get washed away during the monsoon, the authorities prefer to close the park and the Tiger Reserve mostly till November. He said the closure date of the reserve is fixed, but its reopening depends on the prevailing weather condition at the time. The state government has decided to set up a health university to streamline the medical education system as a number of medical institutions have mushroomed in the state. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik made the announcement while reviewing the annual performance of the Health and Family Welfare Department. Health and Family Welfare Minister Atanu Sabyasachi Naik said work for 5 more medical colleges would start soon and they would add to the existing 3 state-run medical colleges. Plans are being drawn up to set up 30 low-cost good hospitals under PPP mode, he said.
समीक्षा पर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री निर्देश देइछन्ति जेहेतु राज्य रे बहुत स्वास्थ्य संबलित अनुष्ठान आगु को जाउछि मेडिकल कॉलेज ठार आरंभ करी नर्सिंग कॉलेज इत्यादि जाउछि तेणु राज्य रे गोटे हेल्थ यूनिवर्सिटी प्रतिष्ठा करिया पई जो प्रिलिमिनरी कार्यक्रम दरकार ताकू तुरंत खसड़ा प्रस्तुत करने पे हमको निर्देश मिली एवं विभिन्न जिले में लो कॉस्ट हॉस्पिटल पीपीपी मोड रे कार्यक्रम करने से खसड़ा प्रस्तुत करने निर्देश मिली से अनुसार कार्यक्रम आरंभ.
A trekking team from the state has successfully returned from Himalayan range. The mountaineers had covered hilly areas covering 57 kilometers. Talking to the media, Shrikant Nayak, chairman of the Cuttack branch of Youth Hostel Association of India, said 11 mountaineers, including a woman, had taken part in the expedition from Cuttack. More branches of Odisha will be included in this program in the coming days, he added. Director General of Police Sanjeev Marik yesterday visited Maoist-dominated districts of Balangir and Nuapada and reviewed anti-Naxal operations there. Marik landed at Mohanpur Police Ground in Nuapada by a special chopper. Later, he interacted with people residing in Sunabida Sanctuary area and discussed about the communication, healthcare and other developmental work going on there. He later addressed media conference and apprised the media persons of the status of the operations and met the administrative officers in Balangir district. Reviewing the Nabakalibar infrastructure activities, Chief Secretary Gokul Chandrapati yesterday said all the construction works will be completed by the end of June. Work on doubling of Delang-Puri railway line and construction of 2 new platforms at Puri railway station will also be finished by the month end. Emphasis has been given to smoothen traffic system during the mega festival, he said, addressing a media conference at Puri Circuit House in the presence of the district collector and other officials.
नेशनल हाईवे रो जो 4टा काम बाकी थिला जो दया ब्रिज गोटे सेटा चली काम प्राय सरी जाइछि सेकंड ब्रिज तार गोटे लास्ट स्लैब कास्टिंग होछि सेटा आज की काली भीतर कास्टिंग हबो हला पर से 7-8 दिन भीतर से काम सरी तापरे साखी गोपाल पाखरे व्हीकल अंडरपास जो काम चलछि सेटा से कामटा तांकर लागियो प्राय 15 तारीख जून पर लागियो आउतापरे जोटा समजाजपुर रेलवे ओवरब्रिज सेटा से माने थ्रू कर देबे आ 7 दिन भितरे 7-8 दिन भितरे डबल लेन 2टा लेन थ्रू हे जिवो.
Before wrapping up the headlines once again, Air Force fighter plane A3492 crashes at Visoi in Mayurbhanj district. Pilots eject to safety. IAF launches probe into the mishap. Samples of Maggi noodles sent to Pune lab for test after Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Uttar Pradesh banned sale of the instant food item. Governor Jamir administers oath to Justice Dhirendra Hiralal Waghela as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court today. Health Department decides to set up a health university in the state. 30 low-cost hospitals are also on the anvil. And villagers desert home fearing Maoist attack in Malkangiri district. Meet Superintendent of Police seeking protection. Thank you for watching. Good night.